Hello, I am Miss Pollard, the proud school counselor at Benford Middle School. Today I'm going to do a school counseling lesson on positive mindset and also on affirmations. I have a quote that I want to start off with, and then I want you to just think about it for a second. If you think you can or think you can't, you will prove yourself right. Again, if you think you can or think you can't, you will prove yourself right. What does this quote mean to you? So, in other words, if you focus on the negative, you are more than likely to receive a negative outcome. But if you focus on the positive, then you will have a win win attitude. So, if you think you can, it is more than likely that your mind will focus on achieving what you want. Okay. Sometimes this is referred to as the self fulfilling prophecy. Your thoughts and your energy, they will determine your outcome. Who has a voice in their head? You know, that little voice that may be nagging at you, telling you, oh, you can't do that. You'll never be able to run that mile in less than 10 minutes, or you won't be able to do 10 math problems within 5 minutes. We all have that little voice in our head, but you need to figure out which voice are you going to listen to. So what thinking and attitude takes away your energy? That will be negative examples. So those words like I can't, I shouldn't, I'm not good enough, I don't have the energy, those things take away from your energy. What thinking and attitude gives you positive energy or gives you energy altogether? So saying things like I can, I will, it is possible, that interests me, I want to experience that, I want to learn a new skill. Those are all positive examples. So now I'm going to go up to the chart paper, and we're going to discuss ways that we can change our mindset to develop positive mindset. So instead of saying something, we're going to think a different way. So instead of I can't do this, we're going to try by saying I will work hard. Okay. Also, maybe instead of saying it's good enough, try saying, is this really my best work? Another example would be, I'm not good at this. We could change that to, what am I missing? So those were just a few quick examples of how we can change our mindset and to develop a growth mindset. So again, when you focus on the negative thoughts, more than likely you'll receive a negative outcome. But if you focus on the positive thoughts, you will receive positive outcomes and you will achieve your goal. Next thing I wanted to discuss is about managing your self-talk. How do you talk to yourself? What types of things do you say to yourself? What ways are you pumping yourself up? Okay. So, affirmations are things and thoughts that you say to yourself to foster your feelings. So they can be, it's just a statement that you're going to repeat over and over to yourself to foster your feelings and to give you confidence. They are mantras, some people call them. You can repeat it to yourself silently, or you can say them out loud. By developing positive affirmations, you can reach a goal. They help you reach a goal, change your mindset. They improve your self-esteem, boost your confidence, and they can also improve your health. You can use them in any situation in your life where you want to improve or make a positive change. The most important part about using affirmations is consistency. So you always should start off small. Don't try to make, 30 or 40 affirmations that you think you're going to remember. Start off small. Focus on maybe one or two things that you want to say to yourself each week and just focus on those two. Like, for example, you could say, I love myself. There's beauty in everything around me. Those are just two short affirmations that you could say to yourself that will be easy to remember and just, make it a little bit easier for you to transition to starting to say affirmations to yourself. So while you're at home, we're going to talk about ways that you can practice these affirmations. One way is if you are into crafts, you could paint a rock, something that you could find outside. You could either paint the rock with a positive affirmation on it, or you can cover a rock and cut out newspaper clippings to write words on it. This rock I have here says, all you need is love, and it has a heart on it. So this is a positive affirmation that you could say to yourself. If you're a visual person and you want to see it, this is something good for you to do. You can also just stand up and look in the mirror and say your affirmations out loud. I will succeed. I am more than enough. I am beautiful. Okay? Or if you're not the type of person who likes to speak out loud, you can just stand in the mirror and say them to yourself. Another example would be sticky notes. You can place words on your sticky notes and post them around your home. You could do a poster board and just put a bunch of stickies on them. Here I have about 8 affirmations that I'm going to place on the board behind me. And they include, my decisions and thoughts are positive. I love myself. Who I am is more than enough. There is beauty in everything around me. I do my best every day. I am unique. I will succeed. I believe. The world is full of infinite possibilities. And so that's just something that you could post around your house. If you have a mirror in the bathroom, you could post the sticky notes on the mirror in the bathroom. Or even if you have a personal mirror, a handheld mirror, you could get a Sharpie and write on your mirror different affirmations that you want to say to yourself and that you want to remember. There's also another way to practice affirmations at home. You could sing them so you can make them fun. James Brown had a song, I Feel Good. Now that's a great affirmation. You could just stand up in the mirror, I feel good. Do a little dance with it to get yourself motivated for the next day or for your day, for what you have to conquer during the day. Also, all I do is win, 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 no matter what. That's a very positive affirmation. And I know it's a catchy song that, that you could catch on to and do a little dance with that as well. The most important thing is that you say these things consistently and that you practice them. Successful people often talk about being resilient. And with their resiliency, the number one thing that they talk about is being able to overcome obstacles and to bounce back from setbacks. Everybody has a story, but it's up to you to determine how your story will end, or how you will change what you're going through currently to make something better for yourself. Tough times don't last, but tough people do. Okay. So this is Miss Pollard again with just a lesson on growth mindset, positive affirmations. If there's any more information that you would need, you can feel free to email me, tpollard2@rvaschools.net. I hope that you all are safe. So be well, be safe, and I hope to see you soon.